sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison and time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps rolling on down the San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. But I hear that the snow, I'm not getting right. Come on, everybody. Let's hear it out there. Lone Star Paracon. The greatest Paracon in these great United States of America. Preach it, preach it. There's something else I want to say. I bet there's rich folks eating in their fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee or smoking big cigars. Well, I know I had it covered. I know I can't be free. Those people keep moving, and that's what tortures me. Alright, we're going to bring it on home here in just a minute. And we got about 30 more minutes for you to keep drinking that beer and raising some hell. Alright, here we go. From this prison and that railroad train was mine. I bet I moved it on a little farther down the line. From Folsom Prison, that's where I want to stay. And I'll let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. With a bottle of scotch and lots of crotch by a yacht. Wax saying chillin' in the boat and rockin' that bitch up and down the coast. With the sun on the tree, the stars thrown in the mix, tossed at a bar. Still with Tijuana, oh, old school service for all the right reasons. Set up shop at the top of the Four Seasons. Rockin', I'm real McCoy. I'm headed out west. Cowboy, man. I wanna be a cowboy, baby. Cowboy, baby. I'm taking here so far away, my train will sing. Gust in the wind. I once was lost, but now I'm just blind. Palm trees and weeds. I'm taking stars from hot-air flight. This is right, I'm gonna make my evil Lord. Look out that old lane. Cowboy, baby. I wanna be a cowboy, baby. He's old.
welcome, man.
Cowboy, baby. Yeah, keep rocking me all the text. Throwing sunset woman with the mouth in the back. See the second and red roll down in my glass and said, yeah, this is moon and it's rock and roll now. So keep gunslinging, put right across. Oh shit. Tommy Hoss in the sauce and I'm a host. I was most for the chef and I'm a kind to catch up and paint his wife. Oh, I'm a day as finally coaching for my Detroit players. Vegas, they hopes to leave but can't get the news. What I want to do on me, lock me up and sort of ways to keep. I'm just a rail. I ain't straight out of Compton, but I'm straight out of trailer. Straight out of Mick. My only words of wisdom are suck my dick. I'm taking dick. Put the top left down in the sunshine. Spend all my time in Hollywood fine. Right in the neck, I sleep all day. Smell of me highway. There's a top way back in the sunshine shining. Look at top right back in the sunshine shining. Spending my time at Hollywood. Y'all make some noise for Texas. Yeah!